How is everyone doing? We're back with another Go Mining video for my solo mining. Of course, this is week 46, and I know I've been kind of absent on YouTube for the past few days, but I have been sick for the past week, and it has hurt like a motherfucker to speak and or swallow because I have a severe sore throat. But I'm just getting a little bit better now, so I do apologize for the little absence, but we are back. And of course, we're going to go over the mining farm first. 4 Bitcoin miners, total terahash of 3,088, my efficiency 15 watts per terahash, and my discount 6.57%. Look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. We got this one half paid off already. We got her half paid off. In 2 more months, she will be mine. She will be 100% mine. But for the fun stuff, head on over to the dashboard. Our total Bitcoin rewards, 0.056911626. It says it's worth $3,987.39. But at current rates, let's take a gander. Bitcoin, the USD converter. Oh, we're hovering just under 70,000. I don't know if many people have been watching, but we went all the way up to, what was it, $75,000. Oh yeah, that was nice. That was nice. But let's see. $3,978.39. Okay, so we're off by $19. That's perfectly okay. That is perfectly okay. And we're going to come on down to the rewards for this period. Obviously, we don't know if she's going to be correct or not until we check. But for March 11th to March 17th, it says we mined 0.00301097 Bitcoin. Do I trust it? I don't really know. So I am actually just going to quickly put these through the calculator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. Why is it only showing 6 days? There should be 7 here. I'm so confused right now. Wait a minute. Let me reload this. March 11th. March 17th. I am so confused. Why is it showing 12, 12, 14, 14, 15, 16? Bro, what the? I guess that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, what? Let me just check this month. That is very confusing to me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 12. Okay, so that's 11. That's 12. That's gotta be 13. That's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. But it's the 19th. Wait, I am so confused right now. Okay, so I'm assuming that is the 17th. I'm beyond confused. Okay, I'm just gonna go 11 to 18, and then it shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Okay, it shows 8. I'm not gonna include this one. Because I'm assuming this one actually was yesterday. That doesn't make any sense to me at all. Oh well, we're gonna add up just the first 7 days here, and I know this is not gonna be the correct number, so we're just gonna go based off of the calculator's number. So, okie dokie, that works with me. That works with me perfectly. We're going to take this number. We're going to copy it. We're going to come over to the Bitcoin to USD converter. I'm going to put 0.00. And then, before we paste it, we say $240. Oh my god, $243. We are a fucking math wizard. I'm a math wizard. Not really. I'm just really good at guessing. $243 USD last a week for week 46. Once we get to week 52, or I guess after week 52, we're going to switch to Miner Wars and see how we do in there in a nice little solo clan by myself. Because I know some people have been getting some pretty damn good rewards in Miner Wars. Not to mention, if you win a personal block for your clan, you get some extra GMT, which that would be lovely. That would be absolutely lovely. And if you want to start mining today, of course, a referral link will be down in the description below. You get an extra 5% terahash for your first miner purchase. So if you get 1 terahash for just $16.99, well, you're actually going to get 1.05 terahash because of that extra 5%. Or if you're a big boy baller and you want to get, 1,000 terahash, obviously you're going to get 50 terahash absolutely for free. But considering it's 1,024, you're going to get a little bit more than 50 terahash absolutely for free. Or if you're the biggest baller of them all with some big balls and you want to get that 5,000 terahash, you're going to get 250 terahash absolutely for free. And 250 terahash alone is, what is that? $3,875 absolutely for free. But then again, you do have to make a small, tiny little purchase of $69,865. But at current rates, paying your maintenance fees in Bitcoin, you'll be making $27.20 a day. Or, I'm a seal. When it's $100,000, that is $91.97 a day. Or when it's $150,000, that is $238 Well, sorry, not $238. $200.38. That's what I meant to say. Then again, these numbers are always changing because there's continuous factors coming into play, such as the mining difficulty continuously going up, or sometimes going down because, you know, some people are turning their miners off, so it's less of a difficulty. But majority of the time, when the price of Bitcoin goes up, so does the hash rate difficulty, because a lot more people are wanting to mine it. Not to mention, they still have these discounts going on because Bitcoin is hovering around $70,000, which is pretty good. Or if you currently have a Bitcoin miner, it's 30% off across the board for terahash. Look at that. Look at that. $500 for 34.69 terahash. When I first started, for $500, I got a 16 terahash miner at 35 watts a terahash. This is literally more than double the amount that I paid for less than half the wattage per terahash. So you're paying less for electricity fees. That is just, it's insane. It's absolutely insane. GoMining is insane, to be honest. It's amazing. I've never seen anything more amazing. My Trump impression would be a lot better if I was not sick, but it is what it is. We will see you guys soon. Take care. God bless, and have a good fucking day. Have a good day.
When I pull up out the garage, 300K and bells and whistles, this is not a facade. Got the groupies going crazy, wanna slob on my knob. I can't teach you everything.